Jason and Daniel from Bright Idea Dental Repair. This is Daniel's last day, and we're sad to see him go, but we're definitely wishing him good here in the future. We're here on a dental delivery unit. It is an Adec. This is a European style, and one of the things that we were dealing with here is it's got 2 air water syringes, and the problem that we're encountering is that this air water syringe is nice and strong, and it's kind of, this is the right, and this one here is just really weak. And we're kind of looking at this, trying to figure it out, and looking in here, this is really interesting. I looked at the bar here, and see, this bar comes and actually impacts right here, and it actually grounds out right there. And I looked over, and look at this. That bar is totally misaligned. And so that is going to be probably the issue here. And so, Daniel, go ahead and loosen that that little bar up.
Yep.
So we have a Allen screw right here, okay? And Daniel's going to go ahead and loosen that up.
Yep.
Oh no, hang on, buddy, hang on. That one right there.
Oh, this one? All right.
So what we have is the distance here is actually wider, longer, causing more spring tension than right here. So Daniel's going to go ahead and loosen that one up. All right, and that's going to free up that bar. Not all the way, just a little bit.
Yep.
Okay, and then that bar is going to come out.
All right. I'll just put this one away. There it is. Now.
All right, and we'll get it even with that. Right, get it even with there.
No more. Right.
Yep, and we'll
there.
smoke that puppy down. Okay. Daniel's getting that nice and good there. There. All right, now don't do that. All right, so now the bar is actually looking more similar to what this one is. And I think that is going to be awesome. Daniel, do you want to go ahead and try that and see what we have there with regard to how tight that is?
Very tight now.
Okay, so tension adjustment on an Adec continental delivery unit, or European style, with whips. This is how you adjust the tension, that little magical bar there. Again, Jason and Daniel from Bright Idea Dental Repair, thank you so much for sticking with us.